Welcome back to another video. I'm Ahmed.
Hi, Lisa.
I had a science fair in my school, so I'm gonna show you what I performed in my science fair. It is very cool and amazing and awesome. So you need to stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So the experiment is elephant toothpaste, and if you know it and you don't know the ingredients, you need to watch this now. And Alisa, you are not gonna do anything. There's a danger
Yes, sir.
for little kids like you. First,
It was.
so this is the ingredients of the experiment. A giant bowl because it's gonna make a lot of mess. A bottle in the middle, or liquid soap, food color,
And
yeast. This is food color. I put it already, and this is yeast again. You need hot water. The important ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, and I already put the hydrogen peroxide in. And you can get the hydrogen peroxide from any pharmacy. So now let's start.
You can see lots of mess.
Let's start. This is yeast. I'm going to put it in hot water. All of it. Now we need a tablespoon to mix it. Okay, it's enough.
Wait, it's so hard.
First, we need the liquid soap.
Yes.
This will be very good.
I want to see. Wow, it's gonna be very cool.
Okay, enough.
Oof. It will fall down.
It's okay. It's okay. Now we need to put the food color. Okay, done. Fine.
Wow.
It's done.
Now that we mix it.
Now we are gonna mix it.
Wow. It's so cool.
Okay, done.
You know
Now we are gonna use the hot water and the yeast. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh my God! Yo! It came immediately.
It's so hard.
Smoke is coming out. I put so much that smoke came out. Oh, I was almost safe. So, Alisa, did you like that experiment?
Yeah, and don't touch it. It's so hot.
When I put the yeast, it like immediately came up. Like immediately. I thought I was planning to put all of it, but it came out immediately and made a lot of mess. But the good thing I have the giant bowl.
And I dropped it out.
I almost thought that it will go like to the ceiling of my house.
It's not hot.
I hope you had a lot of fun. I can't believe my eyes.
It was so much hot.
Next time, if you have a science fair in your school, do a very good project or do elephant toothpaste like me. Like, subscribe, and big thumbs up.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Adios.